So guys, first click to start, open any browser, go to hp.com, xtag 3 dot, then support, then click to software and driver, click to laptop, scroll down. So type HP ProBook 470 G7. So select which you're using. You can enter the properly your model number, because in the model number the different editions there. Select operating system, Windows 10, Windows 11. Okay, and then click to submit. Scroll down, find out the network driver. So this is the wireless LAN driver, this is Bluetooth driver. So latest one guys, this. So just click to download. Then yes, then next, I accept, next. So this is installing by the CMD command, it is completed. After that you restart your system and then check it related to internet issue.